Welcome back, Crammers, to question 17. Show that 6 3 over 4 divided by 2 4 over 7 is equal to 2 5 over 8. We can change this from mixed fractions to improper fractions by multiplying the whole number with the denominator and adding that to the numerator. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. We write the same denominator, which is 4, divided by 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18, divided by same denominator, which is 7, is equal to 2 5 over 8. Now, instead of dividing fractions, we can find the reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply instead. So we have 27 divided by 4. 18 over 7 flipped is just 7 over 18 is equal to 2 5 over 8. Now we can find the highest common factor between 27 and 18, which is 9. So 27 divided by 9 is 3, and 18 divided by 9 is 2. Now we can freely multiply. 3 times 7 is 21, and 4 times 2 is 8, is equal to 2 5 over 8. Now we have to change this back into a mixed fraction, and we can see that the highest multiple of 8 just before 21 is 16. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 21 minus 16 is 5, and we simply write the denominator as 8 is equal to 2 5 over 8. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.